Hello students. Hello students. In the last class, we have completed exercise 3A. So we have completed exercise 3A. Today we will start with the exercise 3B. Now here in the exercise 3B, there is a word problems you have to solve. Here, read the sentences. First step is read the sentences carefully. You have to find what operation you have to do. Then you are well versed with the operation, but you have to find which operation you have to do. So that is the first step. Now here, first question is here. A textile mill produced 1 lakh, 1 crore, 15 lakhs, 26,725 meters of cloth last year and 1 crore 39 lakhs 8,980 meters of a cloth this year. So find the total length of the cloth produced in 2 years. Also find how much more cloth was produced this year. So here the given condition here. So 2 years of cloth produced they have given. So you have to find total length produced and you have to compare how much more was produced this year. So they have given the length produced, cloth produced last year and this year, and you have to find the total length of the cloth produced in 2 years. So that is the first question. So here, so write the statement. So that is the first one. Write the statement. So cloth produced last year is equal to 1 crore 15 lakhs 26,725 meters. Okay, next. So this is last year. Okay, cloth produced this year is equal to 1 crore 39 lakhs 8,980 meters. Okay, so total length produced. So you have to add these two. Okay, so total length means you have to add these two. So what it is? Total length of the cloth produced is equal to. So total length of the cloth produced is equal to for both the years produced is equal to, we have to add. Okay, for 2 years. So for 2 years you can write for 2 years is equal to. So you have to add these two. So I have placed already according to the place value. So 5 plus 0, 5, 8 plus 2, 10, 9, 10, 17, 8, 9, 15 plus 6, it is 15, 2 plus 1, 3. Next, 9 plus 5, 14. You can place according to the place value and separately you can do. So but at a time I am placed here. So I am doing it 3 plus 1, 4, 5 and 2. So here the length produced is 2 crore 54 lakhs 35,705 meter is the total length produced. Okay, so you can write it here. So total length of the cloth produced is equal to 2 crore 54 lakhs 35,705 meters. Next, so but here So this is the first, but still they are asked. So what still they are asked, what you have to find? You have to find how much more cloth was produced this year. Means compared to last year, how much was more this year produced. So what you have to do? You have to subtract. Okay. So you have to subtract. Subtract what? The length produced this year minus the last year. Okay. So here what we'll do? So here how much more cloth was produced this year compared to last year? So you have to subtract. So here I'll place a place value chart: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and a crore. So here, so what is the first number here? We have to subtract this year produced minus last year produced. So here 0, 8, 9. So this year it is 9, 8, 0, 9, 3 and a 1 crore. So here 1 crore 39 lakhs 8,980 was produced this year. We have to subtract with 1 crore 15 lakhs 26,725 produced last year. So you have to subtract. So here, so we cannot subtract here. So this will become 10, this will become 7. 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 2, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. So 8, 6, 2. 10 here again, 10. This will become 8. So 10 minus 2, 8. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. So the more length, how much meter was produced? So here the 23 lakhs 82,255 meter was produced this year compared to last year. How much more cloth was produced? So I'll write here the more cloth produced this year is equal to 23 lakh 82,255 meter. So this is how we have to calculate. So read the statements. So in a word problems, you have to read the statements properly. Then you have to understand which operation should you do. Then you can calculate. So, and you write when word problems, you have to write the statements. So these things you have to remember while solving the word problems. So next example. Next second question. So how much more? So next second question. How much more is 70 lakhs? So 70 lakhs than 48 lakhs 45,760. So how much more than? So 70 lakhs than 48 lakh 45,760. So here for example, I have a 10 pence. Okay, I have a 10 pence. Now, if I compare with the 6 pence, okay, if I compare with the 6 pence, now I have a 10 pence. I'll compare with the 6 pence. How much more I have? Okay, compared to 6. So what you will do? You will subtract 10 minus 6. I have a, so for example, I have 10 pens. My friend has a 6 pens. Okay. Now, how much more I have compared to my friend? Okay. So 10, what you do? 10 minus 6. Okay. So I have extra how many pens? I have a 4 pens. Okay. So this they are in this question. How much more? Okay. How much more? 70 lakhs is, how much more is 70 lakhs than 48 lakhs 45,760. So it is comparing like, so how much more is 70 lakhs compared to 48 lakhs 45,760. So how, what you will do? So first you will place the place value chart: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and a crore. Now here, but here it is given, so here first write the first value, 70 lakhs. So once, okay. So now here 70 lakhs. So now here crore it is not there, so I can cancel it, alternatively we can try. So now here more than, so we have to do the subtraction with 48 lakh 45,760. So you have to subtract. You have to subtract. So this is the first step. So you have understood. So how, what you have to do? Here you have to do the subtraction because they asked how much more. So now here 0 minus 0, 0. So here this will become 10, this will become 9, this will become 9, this will become 9, this will become 9, this will become 6. Because since all zeros, so it will become 9, 9, 9, 9 and it will become a 6. So 10 minus 6, 4. Okay. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 8, 1. 6 minus 4, 2. So how much more it is? 21 lakhs 54,240. So 21 lakhs 54,240 is more compared to 48 lakhs. So when you add these two, you will get a 70 lakhs. So hope you understood this. So next, third question. Next we'll solve the third question. Next, third question here. To make 8 crores, what number should be added? What number should be added to the sum of 95 lakhs 26,532 and 6 crore 96 lakhs 45,082. Okay. So what should be added to make 8 crores? What should be added to the sum of these two numbers? First you have to add sum of the two numbers here. Sum of 95 lakhs 26,532 and 6 crore 96 lakhs 45,082. So you have to find a sum, okay, to make to the sum, okay. What should be added to the sum of? So first you have to add sum of last two numbers. Next you have to find to make a 8 crores. So the sum should be subtracted with the 8 crore. For example here I have, so for example that is a big number, so I am taking a small example. I have to make a 32. To make a 32, so to make 32, what should be added to the sum of 25 and 12 and 8. Okay. So here like this. So to make 32, what should be added to the sum of these two? So first you have to add 12 plus 8, that is 20. If you subtract from 35 minus 20, so 15 should be added to make a 32. So this is how the given statement is. So what should be added to 32? To the sum of these two numbers. So these two sum is 20. So what should be added means you have to subtract. So 15 should be added. So this is in a big numbers. Large numbers it is given. So I have taken the example of small number. So now here first make a sum. Okay, sum of two numbers here. So now we have place value which are ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and a crore. Now here first one is 95 lakhs, 26,532. So you have to add with sum with 6 crore, 96 lakhs, 45,082. So these two numbers you have to find the sum. Okay. So 2 plus 2, 4. 8 plus 3, so it is 10, 11. So 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. So 2, 4, 3, 7. So 5 plus 6, 11. So 9, 18, 19. So 6 plus 1, 7. So this is the number. So here, so in this you have to subtract. You have to subtract what? So here another step. So we have got a sum, but to make a 8 crore, what should be added? So you have to subtract this number. So again I will place a place value chart. So next step is again you place a ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and a crore. Okay. In this is to make a 8 crore. So you have to subtract. First place a 8 crore. Write a 8 crore. Okay. Subtract with this sum. Okay. Subtract with this sum. So 79, 171,614. You have to subtract. So here 10 minus. So this 9. This is 9. This is 9. This is 9. So this is 9. 9. This will become 7. Okay. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 6, 3. So 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 9, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. So what should be added? So 8,28,380 should be 386 should be added to the number. Okay. So what should be they added to the 8 crore? So I'll write the statement here. So 8,28,386 should be added to make 8 crores. To make 8 crores. To make a 8 crores. So this is how we have to solve the story problems. So now here. So here next example. So here fourth, fifth and sixth. Okay, you can do homework. So homework is here question number 4, 5, so 6. Okay, so question number 4, 5, 6 homework. So next in the next class I'll solve the. So another 4 sums are remaining. So I'll solve in the next class. Thank you. So please do write this in a notebook. So these all notes you should write in a notebook. Thank you.